This is Nokia C21 Plus, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can check how much random access memory amount you have on this device. So the first step that you need to take in order to access this data is to reveal or make available the developer settings, which you can do by entering the About Phone section and continuously tapping on the build number, like so. Once you are now a developer message over here, get back to the settings, enter the system category, expand, and in here you'll find the developer options. And once you will enter them, at the very top of the page, you'll be able to see how much of the RAM you have in general, which is 2 GB, and how many gigabytes or which particular part of it is currently occupied. That is, in my case, 1.2 GB of it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.